Hi everyone, this is Rosie, and today my son David is going to show you how to make a zipper pull on the Tecre button maker machine. So, let's get started.
Okay, hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fabric button on this nifty little button press. So here's what the button looks like, and these are what we're going to be used to make it. Here's your button top. Here's your piece of copy paper, which is supposed to hide the silveriness from the button when the fabric stretches and it's pressed. Here's the fabric design. Here's the little ring that goes on the bottom. Here's the VersaBack plastic thing that goes on the back of the button, and here's the hook that the button hangs from. This is your button press. This base swivels, and there's two different wells. There's a shallow one and a deeper one, and I'll show you how to use that in a second. And here's your button cutter. It cuts circular holes to make into buttons. You're also going to need a strip of copy paper as well. So, oh yeah, you just have to put the paper in the button press and punch down. You get a circular piece of paper. Of course, I already have one right here, so let me show you how to make a button. And by the way, this machine is made by an American company called Tecre. And so is the button press. They also supply the little. Anyway, you have to put the button cap into the shallower well. Okay, then you put your the piece of paper here, and then where's the, oh, I almost forgot. On top of the button, you have to put these little mylars on the top to protect it. So once you got your button cap, your copy paper, and your fabric in here, you have to line it up, and then put your little mylar on top of that. Then you swivel it around, you take the lever, and you plunge down. Now the button, you'll see the button's gone. It's actually inside this part here. It's inside there. And then, whoopsie. You see, you're gonna have to take the flat part of this little ring and put it on put it bottom side down inside the other well. Then you flip it around. You plunge again, and then it's all pressed like that. Then what you're going to do next is you're going to take your VersaBack, you're going to line it up and press it so that it stays on. Then lastly, what you're going to do, take the little hook, you squeeze it so that you can get it open. Then you slide it onto the button. And then lastly, what you're going to do is going to take the same hook and the zipper on your pouch. Okay, here's your little hole right here, and you're going to squeeze on the hook and slide it on. There you go. There's your triangular pouch with your dog button on it. Thanks for watching.